Welcome to Easy Driver. In this video, we'll dig into the world of tire mileage warranties, helping you understand, maximize, and choose the best warranty for your tires. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for more informative videos on all things related to tires and automotive care. Your support helps us continue providing valuable content. Let's get started. Tire mileage warranty: understanding, maximizing, and choosing the best. When it comes to purchasing new tires, one of the factors that often comes into consideration is the tire mileage warranty. A tire mileage warranty is a guarantee provided by the manufacturer regarding the expected lifespan of the tire in terms of mileage. It offers peace of mind to consumers, assuring them that their tires will last for a specified distance. In this video, we will look at the details of tire mileage warranties, what they entail, and how they can impact your tire buying decisions. Let's explore the world of tire warranties and understand their significance. What is a tire mileage warranty? A tire mileage warranty is a guarantee provided by tire manufacturers or sellers that offers coverage for a specific number of miles that the tire is expected to last before it wears out and needs replacement. This warranty assures the consumer that the tires they purchase will perform according to the defined mileage limit. Definition: a tire mileage warranty is essentially a written agreement between the tire manufacturer and the consumer, which outlines the conditions and limitations of the warranty coverage. It serves as a reassurance to the buyer that they are investing in a durable and long-lasting product. Tire mileage warranties may vary in terms of duration and coverage. Some warranties provide mileage coverage for a specific number of miles, such as 50,000 or 70,000 miles, while others may offer coverage for a set period, such as 5 years. These warranties typically include provisions that account for premature wear, manufacturing defects, and abnormal tread wear. Explanation: the main purpose of a tire mileage warranty is to instill confidence in consumers by ensuring their tires will perform as expected over a specified distance or time frame. It provides a guarantee of quality and durability, giving buyers peace of mind knowing that they won't have to replace their tires prematurely. When a tire fails to meet the defined mileage limit, the warranty allows the consumer to seek compensation or obtain a replacement tire from the manufacturer or seller, subject to the terms and conditions specified in the warranty. It's important to carefully read and understand the warranty terms, as they can vary between different tire brands and models. It's worth noting that a tire mileage warranty does not cover damage caused by accidents, improper use, or neglectful maintenance. It typically doesn't cover routine wear and tear either, as this is considered normal and expected over time. As you can see, a tire mileage warranty is a contractual agreement between the buyer and the tire manufacturer or seller, guaranteeing that the tire will perform as specified for a defined mileage or time period. It provides consumers with confidence in their purchase, knowing that they are protected against premature tire wear and defects. Understanding the components of a tire mileage warranty. When purchasing new tires, one aspect you need to consider is the tire mileage warranty. This warranty offers coverage for a specified period, along with certain limitations and exclusions. Understanding the components of a tire mileage warranty can help you make an informed decision and ensure you get the most out of your tire investment. Let's look at the key components. Coverage period. The coverage period refers to the duration during which the tire mileage warranty is valid. Typically, tire manufacturers offer warranties ranging from 40,000 miles to 80,000 miles, depending on the tire model and brand. It is essential to review the coverage period to know how long you can expect the warranty to provide protection for your tires. Mileage limitations. Within the coverage period, tire mileage warranties usually come with certain mileage limitations. This aspect specifies the maximum number of miles a tire should be driven before the warranty becomes void. For instance, a tire mileage warranty might state that it provides coverage until the tire reaches a mileage of 60,000 miles. Exceeding this limit may invalidate the warranty, so it is crucial to keep track of your tire's mileage. Prorated replacement. Many tire mileage warranties feature a prorated replacement policy. This means that if your tire becomes prematurely worn out or damaged within the covered mileage range, the manufacturer will replace it. However, the replacement cost is adjusted based on the remaining tread depth. The deeper the tread, the higher the compensation you will receive. Prorated replacements provide some value even if your tire wears out before the coverage period expires. Exclusions and limitations. It is equally important to be aware of the exclusions and limitations outlined in the tire mileage warranty. These specifications highlight certain conditions or circumstances that may void the warranty. Examples of common exclusions include off-road use, improper maintenance, and tire damage caused by accidents or vandalism. Understanding the limitations ensures that you adhere to the warranty terms and conditions, maximizing the benefits offered. In summary, comprehending the various components of a tire mileage warranty is essential for making informed decisions about tire purchases. Familiarizing yourself with the coverage period, mileage limitations, prorated replacement policy, and exclusions and limitations will help you understand what to expect from the warranty and ensure you get the most out of your tires. Remember to review the specific details of the warranty provided by the tire manufacturer to make an informed decision that suits your driving needs. Factors affecting tire mileage warranty. When it comes to tire mileage warranty, there are several factors that can influence the lifespan and longevity of your tires. Understanding these factors can help you maximize the mileage warranty and ensure optimal performance. Let's explore the key factors that affect tire mileage warranty in detail. 1. Tire type and quality. The type and quality of tires you choose play a significant role in determining their mileage warranty. High-quality tires from reputable brands are often designed to last longer and come with extended mileage warranties. These tires are built using advanced materials and technologies, resulting in improved tread life. On the other hand, cheaper or lower-quality tires may have a shorter mileage warranty due to their inferior construction and materials. 2. Driving habits and conditions. Your driving habits and the conditions you subject your tires to can heavily impact their lifespan. Aggressive driving behaviors like hard braking, rapid acceleration, and excessive cornering can accelerate tire wear, reducing their mileage warranty. Additionally, driving in extreme weather conditions such as high temperatures or rough terrain can also take a toll on your tires. To maximize tire mileage warranty, it's important to practice smooth driving habits and avoid harsh conditions whenever possible. 3. Regular maintenance and care. Proper maintenance and care are essential for ensuring that your tires perform optimally throughout their lifespan. Regular tire rotations, alignments, and balancing help distribute the wear evenly, increasing the mileage warranty. Maintaining the recommended tire pressure is crucial as both over and under-inflated tires can cause uneven wear, reducing their longevity. Additionally, regular inspections for signs of damage, such as bulges or cuts, can help identify issues early on and prevent further tire wear. Taking care of your tires by cleaning them regularly, avoiding harsh chemicals, and storing them correctly when not in use can also contribute to their longevity. By following these maintenance practices diligently, you can extend the mileage warranty of your tires while ensuring safer and efficient driving. Remember that while these factors can influence tire mileage warranty, it's important to carefully read and understand the warranty information provided by the tire manufacturer. Each brand may have specific guidelines and conditions that need to be followed to claim the warranty. By being aware of these factors and adhering to proper tire maintenance, you can make the most out of your tire mileage warranty. Section: How to make the most of your tire mileage warranty. When it comes to tire longevity and getting the most out of your tire mileage warranty, there are several key factors to keep in mind. By taking proper care of your tires, you can ensure they last longer and maximize the benefits of your warranty. Here are some essential tips to help you make the most of your tire mileage warranty. Thanks for joining us in part 1 of our tire mileage warranty discussion. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for more insights. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll go even deeper into maximizing your warranty. Until then, happy driving, and keep those tires in top shape. Thanks for watching.